Hey you guys, and welcome back to my garden. I'm out here starting putting down my straw, and I wanted to share something with you guys. Of course, this is the third installment of creating and or expanding your backyard kitchen garden from scratch, the easy way, no dig. I'm trying to beat the weather because I'm feeling a little drizzle, but I just thought this would be the perfect time to come out and at least start putting my straw down. So if you could take a look down here, you will see where I have already started to put down some straw bales. I'm gonna do, this was part of the original garden, the back side of the original garden, and I'm gonna do straw just in this section right here, probably over to where this first big post is. Unless I can get more straw, then I will go further because that means I have to buy less dirt. So those were straw bales that I had. In a previous video, I did make mention of getting these from, they were actually in my attic, and they were from a previous project that I did for Halloween. But then I put the word out on Nextdoor that I was looking for free dirt or straw bales. And a young lady, a beautiful, wonderful, sweet, nice neighbor, told me that she had this straw that she had bought to put in, I guess, some bedding for one of her animals. I'm not sure, but she had this left over. So you guys, I went to start spreading this out, and I thought this is a perfect opportunity to start part 3 of expanding the garden bed. Unlike these bales over here that are all, let's see if I can show you, move the bricks. This is all one big bale. Can you see that? All one big bale. So, you know, positioning that is like positioning bricks almost. This is going to be similar to that, but much easier because look, instead of it all being, I thought this whole bag was one big bale, but it's not. It's individual slices of a bale. Individual slices. That's going to make things so much easier. So today I'm going to get started laying that out and see how far I get. All right, y'all, so just getting ready, get my gloves on. I got my headphones so I can listen to music while I work, or whistle while you work. And just gonna get going on it really quickly. I'm gonna hyperlapse it because you don't want to watch me move straw all day. So let's get into it. So this is actually working out even better than I could have imagined because these sheets are so easy. Like, look at that. I just picked up these sheets and they're just about perfect. Remember under this railing we had the, let me see if I can show you. Remember that, uh-oh, it's breaking up on me. But remember under here, can you see that? Way back there, the black? That's where I lined along the fence to keep grass out and dirt in on this bottom layer, and that is absolutely perfect. So this is going way faster than I thought, and I may have enough to do another layer and then fill in gaps. So only a few minutes and I'm almost done over here. So this is step 3. Like I said, step 1 was to mark out my bed. Step 2 was to lay down cardboard all throughout, wet it down. Step 3, I'm laying down my straw, and then on top of that will be dirt. But right now I'm laying down my straw and making sure that that gets wet, and this is the perfect day for it because it's going to rain or sprinkle, and then my sprinklers will continue to wet this down. All of that needs to happen before I can plant in over here. So I'm just going to keep going and get this section done, and that'll be it for today, and I'll show you what it's looking like when I get done. Well, you guys, I think that's pretty much it. I was even able to fill in like my little gaps, gap over here, and this worked out really, really well. Those sheets like that. I wasn't even going to go over past this planter. I always keep this planter out here because there are certain things that just grow really well in there, and it's self-watering, so that's going to stay over there. I may put a small, really small layer of straw underneath there. There is cardboard underneath there, but for the most part, that's going to stay there. That's why you saw me kind of just go around it with the straw. But I still have so much left. Look at that. I think there might be like, let me see. There are, looks like 2 more full bales in here that I could use. So I need to figure out where I can use those on this side. Like I said, I'm doing an experiment, so I want the straw to only be in one section of the garden in case it doesn't do well for me. So I may go take that over as far as to the compost bin, or maybe even move the compost bin over a little bit so that I have a little bit more growing space, because nothing grows under the compost. Well, things probably would grow under there, but I don't plant things under the compost bin. So there you have it. We are done for the day, and I feel, again, very accomplished, even though that didn't take very long at all. So I'm gonna do some cleanup and weight down this straw with the rest of my bricks, and I will be done, and I will be back hopefully next week to show you the next update. I wasn't expecting this to go very fast. This turned out, I thought the cardboard was the easiest part of this project, but this turned out to be really super duper easy also. So I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting it to take me much, much longer. Now that it's done, I have to get ready for dirt. It is a good thing because it means that I can start planting in this section much sooner, but dirt is not what we were ready for quite yet. So we will regroup, and I will check back in with you guys. Until then, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, and subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it, because I love learning and growing with you. So till next time, you guys. Bye.